It's Denise, and I want to welcome you to my Better Homes and Garden porch, at least what I call my Better Homes and Garden porch. I saw a magazine article one year in Better Homes and Garden, and they had so many beautiful pots on the porch. It just made it so nice and cozy, and I thought, I am totally doing that. So every year, I've been just kind of putting pots all over my porch just to kind of bring the flowers in and just to add a little bit of welcoming. So these are the last two pots that I have to do, and my porch will be done. So let's get started. This is what I'm going to be working with to fill those two pots, and I think I should have everything that I need. The one pot's more of a shade pot, but then the other one is sun part shade, so we'll see. I always like to put a few rocks at the bottom of the pot first. Just to help with drainage. Now this one's all done. Now this particular one, I used one of those garden starters or pot starters. So it has several things in it. So you could just put in a small pot by itself and it's good to go. Or you could put in a pot that's a little bit larger and add something to it like I did this. I love the combination of the pink petunias with these burgundies and these greens. I just think they make a really good combination. So this will creep out and spill out on this side, and you've got the pink picked up here, and as it gets taller you see more of it, and then you've got the pink over here also kind of filling out some of the area around here. So this is my shade plant and it's done, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in place. I'll water it in once I get it where it's going to be because it'll be a lot heavier. Now for this one, I want these yellow to be at the back because they're going to peek at the sun right through these rails. So that's where that's going to be. Then I want this other yellow one, this osteosperma, right beside it. So here I've got an African daisy, one of the little marguerite daisies. But it just blooms so nicely and blooms all summer long, and it gets pretty big. So I usually only put one in here with that. Putting two in here would overwhelm the pot. So I'll mark my spot. And then this one, other one's going to go right there. And I'm going to go ahead and get it in. Right there. I love these. This is the osteosperma, and look at that bloom. I just love the little black eyes right in the center. And you can tell this one definitely needed to get out of the pot. I'm going to put this right here. And then I think I want to put these two like right there. This is the Proven Winners Super Bell's Grape Punch Calabrachia. Just look how beautiful that is. Just such a pretty purple. And this one is Verbena. It is the Proven Winners Superbenia Royal Plum Wine. And they'll both just spill out and just look so nice. So let's get these two in. I've got some of the Proven Winners Superbenia Royal White Cap that's going to go on each side. And you can see it's really spilling out. Oh, look at that root system. Gee. And these Superbenias will do great in sun to part sun. And so I get part sun right here. Almost forgot to take this out. Ah. Now this is just a little coleus. It's the Flamethrower coleus. And look at the nice combination or the nice contrast in color that it gives there. And it'll get taller and fill this area out nicely. So here we're putting in the Grape Punch Calabrachia. And then over here, the Superbenia Plum Wine. There. I think I need to add in a little more fill dirt. I took some out because I thought I had in too much, but now that I've got them in there, and this gets quite heavy, so I don't move it much. I put it in place and that's where it stays. So that'll spill out there. And I'll put just a little begonia here just to keep that pink thing going. This is a really small one, so I can just tuck it right there. And I'll tuck this one right there. And this pot is done. I'll water it in and push it back into place. Make sure you put the stakes in so that you know what you planted in the pot. I always stick them right in the back, as far down as they'll go, out of sight. And I really like to soak them the first time I water them in, so I get water in all the little soil pockets. And make sure you leave about an inch or two of headroom in the pot so that when you water it, the water doesn't spill out over the top. So these are the last two planters that I had to put on my porch, so I am all done with the pots. Now, my question for you is, which one of these pots do you find most interesting? Is it this one that's more shade loving with just a little bit of a sunflower that's going to be peeking out through the railing? Or this one, which I've got, again, more sun loving, part shade things in it, but it's going to be getting more sun right through the railing and over the railing right here. Which pot would you like to have on your porch? Tell me about it in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years. I'm a nurse by profession, and I've planted a few gardens. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking, cleaning, laundry, planning, health and beauty, and gardening, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.